Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be showing how to integrate Excel-based calculations into no-code platforms using SpreadsheetWeb API, focusing Zano. Before diving into the platform configuration, let's take a quick look at our sample Excel file. This is a shipping calculator spreadsheet that includes various data tables and complex formulas across multiple sheets. However, we will only be focusing on the input sheet, where we define our input and output cells. The sheet requires three inputs: origination zip, destination zip, and weight. These inputs are used to calculate the shipping cost. Each input and output value are assigned a named range, which will be key in the integration process. Next, we will publish this Excel file as an API on SpreadsheetWeb. For simplicity, we will select Anonymous Access, though for enhanced security, you can choose the Require Authorization Access type. Once the API is published, make sure to record the Workspace ID and Application ID. After creating an account on the Zano platform, the first step is to set up your database. To do this, navigate to the Database section in the left panel, click on the Add Table button in the top right, and select Enter manually. Next, add the columns that match your input requirements. The second step is to set up your API. Go to the API section from the left panel, click the Add API Group button in the top right to create a new API group, and link it to your database. Once the group is created, proceed to create an API call by clicking the Add API Endpoint button at the top right and selecting the Custom Endpoint option, ensuring you choose the POST request method. Next, configure your inputs by giving appropriate names to your dynamic inputs. For the second step, import your API request as a curl file. To expedite this, go to SpreadsheetWeb's API and navigate to the Calculatesingle path. After clicking Try It Out and executing the request, you'll receive the curl structure. Copy this structure, then in Zano, use the Import Curl option, adjusting the workspace, application IDs, and other parameters according to your setup. After that, click Add Function under the Function Stack step and select External API Request. In the window that opens, click Import Curl in the top right to import the structure, ensuring all parameters are adjusted accordingly. Finally, assign the dynamic inputs you configured earlier to the input value sections of the API. With these steps completed, you are ready to move on to the testing phase. Enter zip code and weight, and press the button. Upon pressing the button, API request is sent to SpreadsheetWeb with inputs. SpreadsheetWeb returns the calculated weight value that is displayed here. Change the weight and press the button again. Recalculated cost value is updated. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit spreadsheetweb.com or help.spreadsheetweb.com and feel free to reach out. See you next time.